The Explorer's Cockpit. Alex was an explorer. Their adventures weren't on mountains or in deep seas, but inside the glowing world of their new Windows 11 computer. They had mastered the basics, but Alex felt a pull towards the deeper, more powerful corners of this digital landscape, a place of untold potential. For weeks, Alex had heard whispers of a hidden realm called For Developers. It sounded thrilling, but the stories were confusing. Friends described it as a maze of scattered settings and cryptic options, like a treasure map torn into a dozen pieces. One afternoon, after a major system update, Alex decided to search again. They typed developer into the search bar. This time, something new appeared: advanced settings. The name itself felt like an invitation, a key to a previously locked door. With a hopeful click, the page opened. It wasn't a confusing mess. It was beautiful. It was like stepping into the cockpit of a futuristic starship, an engineer's dashboard where every control was organized, clearly labeled, and glowing with purpose. This was the Advanced Settings dashboard. At the top, a big, friendly switch was labeled Developer Mode. A clear, simple description explained its function: install and test apps from any source. It wasn't a warning, it was an empowerment. With a confident flick of the mouse, Alex enabled it. A small, reassuring light turned on, like an engine humming to life. There were no blaring alarms or confusing pop-ups. Just a calm, steady glow of activation. Alex scrolled down, discovering more controls. A section for app connections was laid out like a switchboard, showing the pathways between different parts of the system. Each connection had its own clear label and a simple on/off toggle. It felt like being an engineer, carefully managing the flow of power and data. Alex could see exactly which apps needed special access and could grant it with a simple, deliberate click. They were in control, not the other way around. The old fear of breaking something vanished. The Advanced Settings page wasn't a maze of traps. It was a well-lit workshop, filled with powerful tools and clear instructions. It invited exploration, not hesitation. Alex was no longer just a user. They were a pilot, an engineer, a true explorer of their own digital world. The journey had just begun, and with this new dashboard, Alex knew they could safely and confidently navigate any technical frontier.